The Egg, a short story. Space. int. Space. Day. The egg floats aimlessly in space, and we hear its thoughts. Egg. VO. I've always been curious about my purpose. Why am I here, floating aimlessly in this vast universe? Suddenly, the egg encounters a strange object in space. The camera zooms in on the object, and we see it's a space alien. Egg. VO. What is that? The alien greets the egg warmly. Alien. Hello there, little egg. What brings you out here all alone? Egg. VO. I'm searching for my purpose. I don't know what I'm meant to do or where I belong. The alien takes the egg under its wing and begins teaching it about the mysteries of the universe. Alien. VO. There's so much to learn and discover in this universe. You just have to find your place in it. The egg explores a beautiful planet teeming with life and is filled with wonder and excitement. Egg. VO. This planet is amazing. There's so much life and diversity here. The alien reveals that it has finally found a place to call home on this planet. Alien. VO. I've been searching for a place to call home for a long time, and I've finally found it here. Inspired by the alien's journey, the egg realizes the importance of finding one's purpose and place to belong. Egg. VO. Finding your purpose and a place to belong is key to happiness. I think I'll stay here and become a part of this rich and vibrant ecosystem. The egg now lives happily ever after, surrounded by other creatures, content in knowing its purpose and its place in the universe. Egg. VO. And so, I live happily ever after, content in knowing my purpose and my place in the universe. Fade to black.